Hey, welcome back. Thanks for coming. So I got some funny to do, y'all. This puff been here for like a week and a half-ish. And she dry. She flaking, she crusty. I've been lazy, just doing the water with the spritz, throw the scarf on, walk out the door. And now she's a mess. So we're gonna do something with all this, cause baby, ooh, Chile. Why'd I do this to myself, y'all? Y'all see this? I don't feel no single strand knots though. Thank the Lord. Thank God. We gonna praise Him. Hallelujah. But yeah, I think I'm gonna do an updo. Yeah, we gonna do an updo with this. Trying to get my part a little bit more straighter. Just a tinge. There we go. That's a little bit better. Just more curly cube back up over there. So yeah, I think that's gonna do. So let me put all this here, and the rest of this here. Swag all in my way. Clipping all this out the way. All right. So here, I'm thinking 2, maybe 3 braided up situations. But I'm going to put my go-to bottom bitch, baby, my curl milk. She always there when I need her. Come on, Becky. So I got my moisture milk. I'm just gonna moisturize this section before we start doing our braids or flat twist, or maybe even a combination of all of the above. Run that through there, make sure I got the ends real good. Alright, so we're gonna do this here parting situation. So what I'm gonna do to make the part life easier, I'm just gonna start up here at the top of the point and just go straight down. Wherever that leads us, that's what we're gonna do. Take that out the way. That's incredibly crooked, so we're gonna go ahead and straighten that out a little bit. Runaway clip. That clip just snapped and popped off and went on to see Jesus, I guess. Now I can't get this up clip to work. Why is it when you film at everything that can go wrong with? Alright, so this is what we're working with now. So I'm gonna grab a little bit, and I mean a little, like little bit of Eco Styler gel. Put that on my edges. Before y'all come for me talking about we cancel Eco, y'all cancel Eco. When y'all decided to cancel Eco, you know, y'all didn't give me no heads up to let me know if I wanted to be a part of the cancelization. And I had just bought a new tub. So I'm still working on that tub, because this is that tub. From like a year and a half, 2 years ago, when the natural hair community decided we was gonna cancel Eco. So once this tub is done, maybe y'all try the red line. Maybe. I ain't quite decided yet. Might just brush them edges up. So because we doing a flat twist, I'm gonna go ahead and comb this back out. I'm gonna use my curl maker. Bottom bitch's best friend. I'm gonna just put one little pump of that on this section. Just to give me a little bit more hold on what I'm working with right now. Alright, y'all. So clearly I talk too much. So I needed to speed this here process right along. So I'm going to do 3 flat twists on the side. Originally I was going to do French braids, but like I said before, it's easier for me to braid on everybody else than it is myself. And they was coming out tacky. So I went ahead and went with the flat twist. I think I did 3. I either did 3 or 4. 3 or 4 flat twists on the side. And once I'm done twisting it all the way down, I'm just pinning it across to the other side of my head. Okay, Carl, you did all right there. It's hard for me to say this, but me and you are done, girl. Sorry if it comes off like I did you wrong, huh? Didn't really mean so I want these twists to stay fairly tight. So I'm gonna take a small black rubber band and put all 3 of them in one ponytail together. Baby girls, time to move on, time to upgrade my life and write some new songs. You were like a weight on my shoulder that weighed like a boulder. Your mouth always ran like an automatic motor. Started drinking heavy cause I couldn't stand you sober. Honestly, I'm happy that the shit is finally over. Come here, girl, I show you how to live life how you supposed to. My old chick be tripping, that relationship is over. Girl, I make you come and keep you wet. So what I'm getting ready to do here is I'm getting ready to part out a section for my bangs. But then I was like, hey, I might have to turn this into a hairstyle itself. This low-key kind of cute. Yeah, so I'm just going to part out the front section. Doesn't have to be a straight part. Because when you put it up in your ponytail and the bangs hang over, you're not going to be able to see it anyway. So as long as it's semi-straight, you'll be alright. I'm just knotting that up out the way. She not worried about them bitches because she got the title and got that position for life. She do that thing that I like. I need that thing in my life. We can do math in the bed, add up, subtract the clothes and just let me divide. Wanna roll with a big boy outcast. I eat the pussy like steak from the outback. Problems like a bad check cause he bounced back. Now come and catch me outside, how about that? Cause I want my ponytail to be really sleek. Meaning, we about to use a whole lot of gel. If you do not prefer to use a whole lot of gel, you cannot. You can make yours less sleek. It's all up to you. You add your own flavor to the style, baby. So going into this ponytail, I just want to let you, I don't know what I was doing there, Lord child. Just want to let you guys know how I put my sleek ponytails in my hair is I put my hair in at least 2 sections. So I usually do the back and I'll put that in a very loose scrunchy ponytail bun, whatever you want to call it. And I'll gel it down and then I'll brush it up. And I do it in a loose ponytail so that the strands aren't all over the place, but they're loose enough so that I can still manipulate my hair without causing as much breakage or tangling. Because with my hair being, as you know, hair type of people like to call it, 3C, 4A, it look cute when it's wet, but when it dries, you know, the curls aren't as ring curls. They're more of zigzags and spot and stuff like that. So that's just my way of reducing.
Bitch, no more, got a new chick. She don't never question about a nigga when he do shit. Keep it simple, we just sticking to the blueprint. She just want me there and standing stronger than a broomstick. Sometimes I don't know what I'ma do with babe. Whisper in my ear, tell me you so cray. Pull up to that house when I'm down and out. Fuck, come and suck a nigga dick and say my new shit, man. Believe in me just like the Bible. When short by survival, I know baby down for the ride. She not worried about them bitches cause she got the title and got that position for life.
Seeing tangles and breakage. So now with this side, I'm going to go ahead and moisturize it. And I'm going to split that side in half. And gel down each half and then put that back into the ponytail. Just as a method to making it sleeker without making it as tight on my scalp as well. As always, this is just a method that works for me. If you have another method that works for you, please share. This is a community. Let's all find out together. Because I'm not saying I know everything. Because, Lord child, I know I don't. But we can all share and learn some things together. So as you see, I just clipped that first half of that section back so that I could smooth down the part that's on my edges, and that clip was not trying to let go. So that way I can put it all together in the ponytail and make it real sleek without making the ponytail super tight on my scalp and pulling at that one spot on my scalp. It just helps to create less tension. So now that I have my ponytail in, I'm just going to take everything and clamp it.
Looking to find something new. Oh yeah, I need to know. Looking to find something new. Oh yeah, I need to know. I don't wanna fuck my bitch no more, got a new chick. She don't never question about a nigga when he do shit. Keep it simple, we just sticking to the blueprint. She just want me there and standing stronger than a broomstick. Sometimes I don't know what I'ma do with babe. Whisper in my ear, tell me you so cray. Pull up to that house when I'm down and out. Fuck, come and suck a nigga dick and say my new shit, man. Believe in me just like the Bible. When short by survival, I know baby down for the ride. She not worried about them bitches cause she got the title and got that position for life.
So now that I have my ponytail in, I'm just going to take everything and clamp it for the time being. Because now we're going to work on these bangs. So for the bangs, you can do a wash and go, you can do a twist out, you can do a braid out. You could do bantu knots if you wanted to. There's various ways you can do this style. But I think for today, and for the essence of time, because time is not on my side, I'm going to go ahead and just do like a super lazy wash and go.
I think it's time to move on. You were like a bullpen trapped within a U-Haul. Pressure build up like I caught a case of blue balls. Time to get a new chick. Yep, I gotta move on. I ain't finna stay again. I did this shit for too long. Time to get a new chick, new crib, and a new car. No hard feelings, baby girls. Time to move on. Time to upgrade my life and write some new songs. You were like a weight on my shoulder that weighed like a boulder. Your mouth always ran like an automatic motor. Started drinking heavy cause I couldn't stand you sober. Honestly, I'm happy that this shit is finally over.
Come here, girl, I show you how to live life how you supposed to. My old chick be tripping, that relationship is over. Girl, I make you come and keep you wetter than the ocean. Love the way she take the D and ride it like it's stolen. I need a new chick, looking to find something new. Oh yeah, I need a new chick, looking to find something new. Oh yeah, I need a new. I don't wanna Bitch, no more, got a new chick. She don't never question about a nigga when he do shit. Keep it simple, we just sticking to the blueprint. She just want me there and standing stronger than a broomstick. Sometimes I don't know what I'ma do with babe. Whisper in my ear, tell me you so cray. Pull up to the house when I'm down and out. Fuck, come and suck a nigga dick and say my new shit, man. Believe in me just like the Bible. When shit about survival, I know baby down for the ride. She not worried about them bitches cause she got the title and got that position for life. She do that thing that I like. I need that thing in my life. We can do math in the bed, add up, subtract the clothes and just let me divide.
So I just touched up my edges, and I'm going to go ahead and lay my scarf on so that my edges can set while I work on this bun situation I have going on at the top.
She drive me crazy cause baby be on one. Yeah, I'm done with my old chick and that is the reason that I need a new chick. Yeah, looking to find something new. Oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah.
Back off that forehead. Now, let's do this bun. I was gonna do a donut at first, but I decided not to. So what I'm gonna take is 3 pumps of my curl maker. I'm just running that through. Split this in half, and I'm gonna do 2 big old juicy fried twists. Real quick twist. Head over. Let that sit. Go to this side, do this twist. So we got the 2 twists. Wrap one around. Uh-oh. Damn. Wrap one around this side. This one wrap it on the other side. And I wanted there to be texture, so I'm happy about that.
From the outback, problems like a bad check, cause he bounced back. Now come and catch me outside, how about that? Look, she drive me crazy, cause baby be on one. Yeah, I'm done with my old chick, and that is the reason that I need a new chick. Yeah, looking to find something new. Oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah. I need a new chick. Looking to find something new.
There we go. Sit with my scarf on till I do something to my face, and I'll be back once I'm dressed.